First task of today. Try to fix my... Oh fuck. Yeah, I just lost my bit. Okay, yeah, I just lost it. Dropped it on the seat, so let's see. It has shaken loose a bit here. So notice my navigation was all wiggly. So I'll fasten it a bit like that. Now let's see. Put it back on. Okay, we're ready to go. Day 4 on Iceland. Today is going to be a pretty chill day, I think, with only paved roads. Well, I think that at least. I haven't checked, so can't say for sure. But yeah, I'll start off with a few things here in town. There's something called the Arctic Henge, which is kind of the Icelandic Stonehenge. We can see it up on the hill there. Well, I can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it on the footage. Unlike Stonehenge, this is a pretty new installation, and I think it's actually still under construction. And yeah, it's supposed to work kind of like a large sundial. So yeah, let's go and I'll go and take a look. Right, so there we are. So we are leaving Raufarhöfn, me being me and Sev, which is the name of my bike. I don't think I have said that before, but she is named Sev after Sev Bellringer of the planet B3K.
Stan was helped by Zev of B3K. She was made into a love slave as punishment for failing to perform her wifely duties. But things went wrong. Now she is part cluster lizard, so sometimes she is not a nice lady.
See ya, lover boy.
Really nice today. Best weather so far on Iceland. Yeah, this is nice, and there's like nobody here. I haven't seen a car or person or motorcycle in I don't know, forever. I think most people stay in the south, I guess, around the Golden Circle, and then yeah, many also go to the West Fjords, but I think Northeast and East part is not that many tourists yet. There were like maybe 4 other people at the campsite last night. So yeah, pretty peaceful. Just how I like it. Apparently today wasn't going to be all paved after all. I thought this road would be, but as soon as I exited the city, it turned into gravel. So, okay. Yeah, I don't know how long actually. It's 70 kilometers until I reach the next town or something like that. And yeah, maybe it's gravel until then. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But it's still beautiful. Clear sky, sunset. Can't get better than this. I just had my breakfast in the town I just passed, and also plugged into a charger while I was there. So yeah, I'm at 97% again. And in the next town, I'll look for a cafe and maybe have some cake. I would love some cake, yes. We're back on the paved road again. It was only a few kilometers, around 10, I think, kilometers on the gravel. And then suddenly we're back on asphalt. Really enjoyable day. Yeah, this is super nice. Just entering Vopnafjordur, and I am going to look for a cafe or something. And I'm also going to put my bike on a charger just while I'm here. Found the charger, and yeah, it appears to be free. So cool. It wasn't quite as central as I had hoped, but I think I can just walk down the road here and find something. Okay, I had a stop here in Vopnafjordur. Sadly no cake, because I only found like a gas station cafeteria, but yeah, while I was there I found another place that looked more like what I was looking for, but anyway, then I just stayed where I was, had some fries. So, and now we are heading towards Mývatn. There are some clouds rolling in, but they claim it will be nice all day, so I'm hoping they're right. We are back on the ring road, Road 1, and making our final leg towards Mývatn. About 80 kilometers left. I have some nice snow-capped mountains in my rearview mirror. Been looking at them yeah, for a really long time now. Yeah, I don't think I can turn my head far enough so you can see, but yeah, looks really nice. Getting back to where I camped not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. But we're not actually passing it because it's down a side road. So, yeah. There is some rain in the area. So far I've only been hit by a few drops. So I'm wondering if I should put my rain gear on or not. But I don't think we're going straight into it. It looks like we're turning the right way. Maybe. I don't know. I hope so. Like over there it's pretty dark, and that way it looks good. So I'm hoping we're turning in the good direction. That's awesome. Really dark and threatening. Clouds are just passed through, or we are still passing through. But so far we're only hit by a light drizzle, and I think we're going to make it. Wow! That's actually I wouldn't have thought that. I was looking for a place to stop and put on my rain gear, but no, I'm thinking it may work out. Look here, blue sky. Yeah, and over there. Would want to be there. Like we're passing some lava fields again. Look at that. Smoky Mountains. So we are entering the area with geothermal activity now. Yeah, here is some geothermal. Maybe I can go here now. Before I hit camp, yeah, I do that. That was fascinating and smelly. So now I'm going to see if I can get a spot at the campsite, and then I'll see if I check out any more sites today, or if I do it tomorrow. We'll have to check the weather apps. Stuff coming up from the ground. Fascinating.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those.
So I made it to a campsite in Mývatn, right next to the lake. And yeah, I'll stay here at least until tomorrow, maybe one more night. So let me show you on the map where I went today. Today took me from right up here, Refferhofen. Then I went kind of like down a bit, following the fjords, and then after a while I crossed back over to Myvatn and all the way over here. So I camped right by the Mývatn lake. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye.